Hello. Today we are working on 85-inch Samsung TV. Model number QN85Q60T. TV has no image and screen flickers gray color with vertical bars in some areas. After troubleshooting, by disconnecting ribbons on the screen, TV screen shows a picture on the right side. After inspection for any burns or any visible problems, I saw a ribbon that was burned. Let's look closer under the microscope. I guess we have a short circuit or maybe a defective ribbon from the manufacturer. At this point I decided to check for any short circuits on the address board to make sure if it is safe to install a new ribbon. I did not find any shorted parts and therefore I made a decision to install a new ribbon and hope for the best. Oh no, I guess there is a short in the circuit and now more troubleshooting is needed. I follow burned line inside the ribbon cable and got to the 16-volt line pins. Let's check pins on both sides. "16 volts is good on the left side connector, but on the right side I had 6 volts. At this point, since none of the components are shorted, I have no other choice but to inject a voltage from a bench power supply. I set my bench power supply to 1 volt and maximum current of 3 amps. At 1.62 amps we can confirm a shorted line on the left side. I increased my voltage to 2 volts. At the first second of applying the voltage, drawing current was at 2.42 amps and started to drop. Now my FLIR camera can help me to find a component that is overheating. This is the area with a problem. The best way to pinpoint a defective component is to freeze this area, and by applying 2 volts from the bench power supply, we can easily spot our defective component. Bingo! Our troubleshooting is done. Now we need to proceed with a repair to fix this TV. C221 on the other side will be the same value. We'll check the value of this capacitor inside the circuit and after I'll remove it to get a real value. Now, we know the value of our capacitor. Time to get our donor boards and find what we need. Took a while to find the right one, but here it is. Installed it, and now let's apply our voltage from the bench power supply again just to make sure we are good to go. Looks great. Now we need to find a replacement ribbon cable and we'll be ready to power on our TV. We did it. Time to close our television and run it for a couple of days, before we can call this repair a successful one. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope this video will prevent at least one TV from recycling.